shocking news. Yep, yeah. Hold on, don't look. And you know, the weekend preparation for us is in full force. Joel is starting in on the lawn. Hi, Tits. Are we gonna have a good weekend? Love ya. Okay, deal. Yep, yeah.
Put the camera down and get to work.
And I was just missing ya. Do you know what I say to Joel every single night when we cuddle initially and then we roll our separate ways, and every time I say, I'm gonna miss ya because I miss him. And you know, what the heck is going on in here? Lady, no. Oh, she smells horrible. I think she got into the worms.
She probably did. She finds them. One time I caught her digging for one.
Jill and I have been working in the house together. Like, we've seen each other in passing, but he's been doing his thing, I've been doing my thing. And when he went outside to do yard work, I was like, gonna miss ya.
I have my hair done.
Yeah, I think we can vlog with your hair not being done. I think that's okay.
He loves his hair.
Is that okay with you?
He loves his hair. He needs it nice.
Yeah. Okay. Friday morning,
Sorry.
we're just starting to get the kids ready for school. They're kind of delaying. And in Boston, I said, "What do you want to do for Friday night dinner?" And what did you ask?
So can we eat some junkie?
I said yes, and he was like, "Yeah." So what do you want? What kind of junk food do you want?
Taco Bell.
Taco Bell.
Don't you point over to my nightstand like there's an empty bag of Taco Bell.
Also, Dad,
We're going off the rails in this house, okay, people?
Can we get a cheesecake hot dog?
It's a taco that has like it's crust. It's like on the outside it's crust and then the inside it's soft burrito. No.
I believe he's talking about a gordita crunch.
Cheesy gordita crunch.
Mina, Baha.
With a side of Baha Blast.
Wait, is Baha West in Taco Bell or Taco Pine?
Taco Bell.
Is that my hat?
Maybe.
I went down to Taco Bell and got a Baha.
All right, this is the moment that, I mean, I feel like this is a very pivotal moment in all of your lives. Everyone, grab your Baja Blast.
And your straw.
Baja Blast.
Baha Blast.
All right. Hey, do not take a drink, anyone. Come here. Come over here. Put your straw in your drink and come here. All right. On the count of 3, Emma, this is for you. Cousin Emma, this is for you. Go ahead and take a taste and tell me if it's everything you dreamed of and more.
It tastes like watermelon. No. It tastes like lemonade mixed with Mountain Dew.
Tastes like a Baja Blast.
Somehow,
Pool water.
I just got the biggest earful from all of the kids. Okay, Cody, you don't have to tell them everything because there was some shocking news in here that I know he's not going to share with you. However, Cody, I would love to hear about, now this is not the last day of school, right? This is,
Tuesday.
well, but this was like the party. Is this an honors party?
First day of the last day of last week of school.
Yeah, the first day of the last week. No, the second day. Okay, forget it. This was an honors party, and could you only go if you had good grades?
No,
Or everyone could go.
You just had to have the permission slip.
Oh, okay.
unless
So
you-
not
Fifth graders.
Yeah, it was for 5th graders only.
because you're graduating elementary.
Yeah, we had a huge party. So this morning we got to school, we got ready, and then at 8:30ish we got on the buses to go to the jump zone. We stayed there for 2 hours. My teacher did backflips and like back halves and fulls. We taught him how to do fulls, and he did like a rolling thing. And then after that we went to Elk Ridge Park that they remodeled. There's a jungle gym, super tall. They added the swings, the merry-go-round swing things.
Really?
Yeah. And then, but I was the one who was pushing everyone and a few
Aww.
other people. And then after that, that's where we had lunch. And then after that, we went to the movies to watch Sing 2, and we got free snacks.
That's a huge day, Cody. I feel like Cody has had the best teacher. He loves his teacher. He wants to please him. He's good in class for him. And it makes me so grateful for his teacher. That was a huge party. Cody was looking forward to it so much. I've been hearing all about it. So I wanted to make sure that you wrote about it in your journal. So he got his journal and he's gonna write all about it because I want you to be able to look back on that and remember your fun party. And you can write your secret that's just between us.
Okay.
Mom, when I was in 5th grade, when I was in his grade, COVID hit like halfway through the year, so I never got the end of year party, and I just wanted that. It is so fun. I've heard that like you just do so much. I'm like,
yep, all the 5th graders when they graduate elementary get that huge party, and Olivia didn't because of COVID.
You want me to take you to the 5th graders next year? Sure. We just hang out with all of them?
That was
I'll
really
probably be
sad.
annoyed by all of them.
Billy Madison all over again.
A lot of people missed out on fun things. So people missed out on their senior graduation, college graduation, proms. Like people missed out on
Life.
a lot of things. Yep. That was a bummer deal, wasn't it? Okay, Boston. Mr. Cool Socks here that you got for your birthday. Tell us about your party today. What was your party for? Was it just end of the year party?
So first we had 4 groups, and the first one we played games. And the first one, and then once we were done with that group, the one with the team's highest number, they each get a small Twix, like a half-size Twix, like that big. And our team won. And then we went to the second group, and we had the white cheddar cheese popcorn, like 5 fruit snacks, and 2 water pops, and I just was laughing with my friends while we were eating them and playing with them.
So fun.
And then the next group was it was like a mix between a hot potato and musical chairs. So you had 3 water balloons, and our teacher played music, and once the music stopped, if you had the water balloon in your hands, you had to pop it on your head.
That is so fun, Bossy. I'm gonna go outside because I got something for Lady today at the store.
Say what?
I'll be back. Today, while the kids were at school, I drove down to my mom's house, and my sister Julie and I went through a closet, basically going through some of like Julie and Ellie's stuff from when they were babies. And it was really nice just hanging out with my mom and my sister and my dad and Julie's baby. I just basically held the baby. That's what I did. Hold on, don't look. Don't look. Okay, no. Everyone can see. Okay, hold this. Do you guys?
Yay!
So do you guys remember Joel put together? Look, I can't wait. Do not let her get in that yet. Oh, she knows it's for her. We put together a cat toy thing. Like a cat stand. Lady loved the whole.
When did we do that?
You weren't here. Look at her. She is so excited.
See if she'll run into it.
She's going to. Look. Oh, look. She is. Hold on. Do not. I don't put her in it yet.
Definitely looks
Look
like mine.
how happy she is. She is so. Hold on. Okay, hold her so she doesn't run into it. Let's put it down. I just want to see what she does, but I have to get the camera in focus.
Yeah.
Hold on. The camera's not in focus. Okay.
Go.
Who's usually?
I didn't even have to tell her. You yanked her. Oh, she loves that.
Leave her there, put her down. Oh, I'm so happy. Now you guys can't tell because her face never, ever changes, but she's happy.
She's so happy.
Yeah, I can feel her tail wagging.
She's like,
I can feel her tail wagging. Now listen, you gotta be careful pulling her out of there.
well, there's no pulling her out because you'll hurt her arms if you do.
She's like, wait, what's up?
She's like, what? Okay, put it back down. Put it back down. I figured. Oh, it's late. Oh, late. Okay, no, I don't want to teach her that that's okay. No, lady.
You're mine. I will dominate you.
No, I don't play that way.
Inside.
Place, lady, place.
Inside.
You gotta say place. That. Oh,
Lady, inside.
Lady, place.
If she bites it, I'm not gonna let her.
Good girl. Good baby.
What did you like the viola?
Now, the reason I got it for her is because she loved that little cat thing so much, and so I wanted her to have a really small space like that.
Which is so
This is like extra small.
She'll probably poop in it.
No, she will not.
So, you guys, she can
Look
like,
at
take this on your
her.
bed.
Hi, little cootie. Oh my gosh, you look so sweet. Oh, look how happy.
I'm
The only
so
way to get her out is
To dump her out. Yep. You can't pull her out. You have to dump her out. And if you kids see her biting it, tell her no, because we don't want her to bite it. It's not a toy. It's not a toy. Yes, you're happy.
Put it on the couch up there.
You're happy. All right, guys, we are going to say goodnight. Have a good night. Oh, my goodness. Bless you.
See if she will get it. No, just leave it right there. Right there. Just right there. Lady, go get it. Go, place.
Lady, place.
Place.
She won't go inside it. She's like, keep her.
When I saw it, I was like, oh my
You're
gosh.
so happy. Are you so playful today?
She's seriously, I think it's for cats.
Well, since she's smaller than cats.
Okay, our neighbor that we built that cat thing for, their cat is 14 pounds.
And she's
Lady
not a
is
fat
6
cat.
pounds. No,
She's
she's just really big.
Cat. She's a
Yeah.
huge cat.
All right, officially good night, everybody.
Don't do that. Don't do that.
You don't crush her little house.
Lady, inside. Lady, inside.
Place. Good girl. Good place. Good place.
She's like,
No, I don't want her to get
I
hurt,
don't want her
so
teeth in
put
that.
it down.